Hey guys, Pickur here from that lock picking video, and today I got another challenge lock for you. This one is MP1 by Mr. Pickur, and I must say, as someone who does a lot of custom challenge locks, this is very, very cool. This box and this presentation is very much appreciated. I don't see many other people do this kind of work other than me and maybe a few other people. But you can see, look at the detail in this box here. Like, get the felt on the top, the custom foam in here. It has this plus I think there was a shim in here. Yeah, the shim's right here, just buried in there. Get out with our See, it even has a shim. Like, basically, it's like the lock picker's beginner's challenge lock kit, almost. I guess is the best way I can put it. And we got the challenge lock here. He made his out of, I think it says SC. It's a 5-pin SC1 keyway. And he engraved MP1 on the Bible. So let's go ahead and get this in the vise. See if we can get this open today. Excuse me. We're going to use our tension bar with bottom of the keyway for Schleg, and our 25 thousandths, or no, this is 20, this is 25? This is 25 thousandths, right? We use 25 thousandths Peterson hook 7. Let's have that back pin. There we go. Oh, we're set that pin trying to reach it in the back. Alrighty, we are picked. And I just realized I did not zoom in there. I apologize, guys. Hopefully, you guys can still see that pretty good, though. Let's go ahead and take this apart and see what we got inside. I guess we need the key. Let's take a look to see what this key looks like. I'm assuming since there's a shim, we're gonna need a shim. Oh, that's pretty good bidding, actually. I bet you it was pin 1, 2, 3. I bet you it's pin 3 we're oversetting based on how this looks. Oh, there we go. Can't tell if this is a custom cut key. It looks like it might be because it's green. If it is, you did a very good job. I'm very impressed. Come on. Let's go get our shim in here. Oh, we got some trap holes in here. instruction holes. That's a nice looking pin. I like that pin. I need some nice looking pins, especially with how small they are. I want this. So we got a serrated top. We got a T-pin. We got a spool top, and spool top. These almost look like gin bottles, honestly. And we have nothing, counter milled, and nothing. Ooh, a lovely steel serrated pin. Another lovely steel serrated pin. There we go. There we got our serrated spool top. Let's go from the back here to get the last two. Oh, did not want to lose that. That's interesting. I've never seen that type. That's like a really thin barbell style spool or something. I've never seen that kind of pin before. All right, let us take a look at this. Nothing. All right, no, nothing done to the Bible. So only mods to the core. Let's go take a look at this amazing pin work by Mr. Pickur. I'm pretty impressed, actually. Look at these awesome steel pins, especially how thin the inner chambers are. I've never seen someone get them that much detail on them. We got those gin spools. Here we can see maybe, there we go. You can see the counter milling on chambers 4, 5, or no, 2, 3, and 4, sorry. And that is the MP1 challenge lock. Hopefully you guys like this content. Like, comment, subscribe, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thanks. Bye.